aspirants and the candidates. Those are going to appear at the competitive examinations for various jobs. And today's lesson is we are going to teach you about the preparation from the chapter Preposition and vocabulary exercises. Yes, watch our channel regularly, and today let us start our lesson. You all are requested to pay sharp attention towards the lesson. Today's topic is most important preposition for competitive examinations. All type of competitive examinations, especially ASO, postal and railways, asks the questions from the preposition chapter. At least 2-3 marks from these chapters is expected to come to your script. Serial number 1. The mango tree is in Dex. The mango tree is Dex blossoms. The mango tree is Dex blossoms. In, with, of, on. The right answer is, what is the right answer? The right answer is, the mango tree is in blossoms. In. अर्थ कौन यार दि मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस आंब गछरे बौल होइछि माने आंब गछरे फूल फुटिछि. सेंटेंस नंबर 2. The cat was lying next the fire at, of, to, by. Answer is, what is the answer? Answer is, the cat was lying next the fire, by the fire. Why by is the answer? By means near. Here by means near. That means near the fire, by the fire, beside the fire. Sentence 3. Her face was ablaze Dex anger. Her face was ablaze Dex anger. In, on, with, of. The answer is, her face was ablaze with anger. That means रागरे ता मुहटा जली जाउथिला. Ablaze with anger. Next sentence. Someone tipped Dex the police about. Someone tipped Dex the police about. Police about Mumbai bomb blast. Someone tipped Dex the police about Mumbai bomb blast. Answer is of. OFF of. Then means tip off. TIP OFF. Tip off is a phrasal verb. Mind it. So someone tipped up the police about Mumbai bomb blast. Sentence number 5. The sun was hidden next the clouds. In the clouds, under the clouds, among the clouds, by the clouds. What is the correct answer? So you see in these questions all the words that are given as the option, all our words are seems to be right to fill in the blanks. But the appropriate preposition will be by. The sun was hidden by the clouds. Sentence 6. Don't involve me, that's your problems. Don't involve me, that's your problems. Don't involve me in your problems. Mark it. In your involve me in. Involve themselves in. Next sentence 7. He will arrive next 10 minutes. On 10 minutes, by 10 minutes, since 10 minutes, or in 10 minutes. The answer is he will arrive in 10 minutes. Question number 8. He has lived here next 1 year. From, for, since, after. What is the answer? Yes. Think of the answer and try to answer these questions. Fill up the blanks by yourself. Okay. He has lived here next 1 year. कौन हो पारे? From, for, since, after. The answer is he has lived here for 1 year. For 1 year. Then come to the next questions. I mean questions number 9. The fire broke out next the night. The fire broke out next the night. On, during, for, in. The fire broke out during the night. यहाँ लागिगला राति रे, रात्रि समय रे, during the night. That means in the continuity of the night. 10. We reached the airport next time to catch the flight. Okay. This type of simple sentences will be asked by your competitive examinations. You see, not the very complicated sentence or long sentence are available in your or appear in your script. Very simple. Sentence is very simple and also easy to understand. We reached the airport next time to catch the flight. That means in time. In time means early, before the flight. We reached the airport earlier, before the flight takeoff. Okay. In on time means exact the time, according to the schedule. Exact time according to the schedule it will be on, but the answer is here. The answer is in. Question number 11. He paid the bill next case by, in, on, with. It is in. He paid the bill in case, but by check, by credit card. But case जदि case थिबो ताले preposition हेबो in. By check, by credit card. Okay. But in case, question number 12. He warned me next danger. He warned me next danger, for, about, on, off. He warned me next danger. केबे भी आपण about danger लिखिबे नहीं. Okay. He warned me about danger. Wrong. Right answer is he warned me of danger. Of. He is very kind, Dex heart. Question 13 says, he is very kind, Dex heart. By, at, with, in. যদি হার্ট থিব ডেস্ক হার্ট থিব তাহলে আপন এট হি লগাইবে এট হার্ট হি ইজ ভেরি কাইন্ড এট হার্ট আই এম ভেরি প্লিজড এট হার্ট নেক্সট কোশ্চিন 14 দ্য মহানদী ফ্লোজ ডেক্স ওড়িশা ইন অ্যাক্রস along through. Right answer is through. Mahanadi flows through Odisha. Yes. This road goes through the jungle. This type of preposition through. Any river flows through a state or a place. Your last questions, question number 15. He hit his face, decks the bed clothes. He hit his face, decks the bed clothes. Below, under, with, over. Right answer is under. He hid his face under the bedclothes. So mind it and remember that preposition 3-4 marks prepositions is common to come to your examination script. Okay, so you must include preposition in your preparation and watch our channel regularly to clear all your doubt and to be confident to take the examinations of various competitive examinations of the government job. Yes, today this much. Thank you very much.